How to become a rich in a fastest way? So first of all you have to understand what is richness. Is it having lot of money, lot of currency, or is it having too much of properties, houses, cars, various things? For most of the people this is the idea of richness, but it is actually not. Let me explain it with the example. Let's say you are lost on an island in some forest. Now, to survive on this island, no matter how much money you have in your bank account, no matter how much property you have, it is not going to help. To survive in this situation, you have to develop certain kind of skills. To make you survive in this situation, your inner life force, your inner awareness is going to help. Nothing else can help other than this. So, how much you are alive, how much you are responsive towards life will decide your survival on this island. Same is true with every situation in life. No matter how much money you have, no matter how much matter you have, no matter how much resources you have, if you don't have enough awareness, enough intelligence to make proper use of them, they are no longer going to help you. So real richness, real abundance, real affluence does not come from the matter. In fact, more you run behind the matter, more you become poor. So the real richness is your awareness, your confidence that you have in yourself, how much you are responsive towards the life, how much you are alive. The real richness is living effortlessly and manifesting whatever you want, whenever you want, in any situation that you want. If you earn the money with very difficulty, you will spend it with very difficulty. There will be a lot of resistance from you, from your inner space to spend it. And if you earn money very easily, you will spend it easily. But if you earn money effortlessly, you will spend it effortlessly. And that is affluence. In affluence, there is no any resistance, there is no any forcing, there is no any holding. You will earn effortlessly as well as spend effortlessly and live your life effortlessly without any worries. And that is aparigraha also, where you don't hold anything, you are just allow everything to happen freely on its own, without any resistance, without any force, without any holding. So real richness lies in your own self, in your awareness, in your consciousness, in your own inner space. So if you want to manifest something in your life, you have to go to the source, that is your own self. Many of you might have heard about law of attraction that says that whatever you believe deeply within yourself becomes your reality, and that is how you manifest your life. Also, you might have heard about the entire creation is made up of Purusha and Prakriti. That is the source of creation is Purusha and Prakriti. So, if Purusha and Prakriti is the source of creation, then anything you want to manifest, you have to go towards the Purusha and Prakriti, because they are going to manifest everything in your life. Now, how to access this source of creation? The source of creation is always at function. It's we are who are creating disturbance in the process of creation, and that's why we create the mess in our life. If you allow the source of creation to do its job, then obviously it is going to be effortless and smooth. Biggest obstacle in the manifestation of whatever you want is your mind and its restlessness. Because it is restless, it creates lots and lots of disturbance and doubts inside you, and it it only creates mess in your life. So if you want to manifest the life that you want, you have to go beyond the mind, and to go beyond the mind you have to follow certain spiritual practice, that is meditation or whichever you prefer. And by following these practices, if you become absolutely peaceful and silent, you will start listening to the music of life, and that music of life itself is a bliss, that is supreme joy. And from that joy, out of that joy, you will manifest everything that you really want to manifest, and that is how your life will become peaceful, joyful and blissful. Now going back to the affluence, if you start having the larger perspective towards life, you will realize that identity you carry is false identity, but the real identity that you carry is the cosmic identity, the identity of oneness. When all mine, I and all selfishness disappears, when you experience the surrender with the cosmos, you realize your cosmic identity, and realization of this cosmic identity is nothing but the awakening, and that is the real affluence, where you will no longer be selfish, but you will be simply resistanceless and any forcing behavior less. You will live a effortless, joyful, blissful and happy life. In the space of realization, in the space of oneness, you will know that there is no other self, there is only one self, and that is all pervasive. So if there is no other, then whatever is there is only yours. So there will be no any greed or fear or attachment towards any object. You will realize that there is the only supreme self, the divine self. Nothing else exists. If you close your eyes, you will see the divine, and if you open your eyes, you will see only the divine. And that is the experience of supreme bliss. And this experience is real affluence and real richness. And with this experience, only you can achieve any material abundance as well. Mind's restless activity can never give you the real success in life. It can only keep you engaged, frustrated and tired, but the activities that come out of your mind's restlessness, rajas or tamas, can never give you the real success. The activities or the actions that are coming out of space of oneness, space of sattva, space of affluence, can only bring the joy, beauty and peace to the world. So it is the space of bliss or supreme ananda that brings certain action out of you, and those action will make you affluent and truly rich and truly satisfied, truly happy and truly content. When you become a part of a cosmic celebration of life, you literally become a cosmic celebrity. And this is awakening, this is abundance, this is richness, and this is affluence and true happiness. So what is the quickest way to become rich? The quickest way of becoming rich is an instant way of becoming rich and affluent. That is by surrendering to this moment. If you surrender into this moment, you will realize there are how many things available in life for you. You will be able to see them. Right now, your restless mind always shows you what is not there. But when you become aware, you realize what is there and how much is there. And you will start feeling the gratitude for the life. And this experience of gratitude itself is the ultimate joy. So this is the shortest way to achieve the real affluence, real richness. Just surrender this moment into the cosmic oneness and start celebrating your life. become alive fully by removing holding, resisting, and forcing behavior towards the delusory objects, and being in the state of meditation 24/7, being aware.